perfume Blue Lady is a renowned fragrance produced by Lee, known for its captivating blend of floral, fruity, and woody notes. It is celebrated as one of the most exquisite and high-quality Eastern perfumes for women. Blue Lady harmoniously combines scents from flowers like orange blossom, ylang ylang, violet leaves, jasmine, peach, daffodil, and plum, anchored with a base of Indian grass, musk, sandalwood, and amber, creating a mesmerizing and long-lasting fragrance. Blue Lady's allure is in its strong and refreshing scent, making it appropriate for all occasions, whether day or night, formal events, or casual outings. Its fragrance profile is dense and luxurious, appealing to women who seek a blend of romance and temptation. This perfume is particularly popular in the Middle East, especially in the Gulf region, where women admire its powerful and enduring scent. Blue Lady comes in stylish bottles, often available in different sizes such as 35 milliliters and 75 milliliters, offering affordability without compromising on quality. Following its initial success, Lee introduced Blue Lady 2, an enhanced version that continues to blend rose, mint, tangerine, coriander, musk, jasmine, and amber, delivering an even richer and more captivating aroma. Blue Lady and Blue Lady 2 are beloved by women who cherish luxury, sophistication, and feminine allure. Known for their staying power, these perfumes embrace the mysterious and enchanting essence of Eastern fragrances, making them a must-have in any perfume collection.